Changing your Payoneer password is a straightforward process that helps ensure the security of your account. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Payoneer website and enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Settings option in the menu. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Within the account settings, find the Security or Password section. This is where you can manage your password and other security features. Step 4. Change your password. Click on the option to change your password. You will typically need to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria for strength. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by re-entering it in the designated field. Finally, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. Make sure to remember your new password and consider using a password manager for added security. Regularly updating your password is a good practice to keep your account safe.